Hi guys, today I'm going to do a review of BNB Fury. My name is Susan Christensen. I'm reviewing this because I have a lot of people ask me about these BNB things and platforms, and a lot of us have been affected by some that have done some rug pulls. But I'm making this video because this was shared to me by a friend that I'm doing SMARP pull with, and we have that issue with the SMARP pull too, where there's this threshold and you can't withdraw your money. But in my opinion, the money is still there. So they could have taken it and did a rug pull if they wanted, but it's still there. The only problem is the threshold still remains over 70%. You can't withdraw unless it's under 70%. So people either need to invest or it's just going to sit there, I guess. So they've done after that the BNB Smart Pool 2. Wait, let me back up. They did Extreme Pool, which had a lower threshold. Same problem, just got to that threshold faster. And then they did Smart Pool 2.0. I actually have been doing it for, I think, over a week now, and I've not had any issues withdrawing. So it's 50% in, 50% out. So 50% to your wallet, 50% back to the contract. So it's actually working that way because there is no threshold. And that's like they say, if you go to their site the third time, we finally might have done it right. So anyway, that one's a very good one so far because of that no threshold. So here is the one I'm doing now. It's called BNB Fury. This one is very interesting. Okay, so you can see here it says stable, profitable yield farming, Dapp farming. And the difference is with this one, it has this automated user's insurance. What that means is every time you do a withdrawal, 10% of your withdrawal is going to this insurance pool. And I've checked the contract on this. Yesterday, it was only like, I don't know, 100,000 or something around there. It wasn't even that much. Look at it now. It's 377,000. Is that right? Oh, I'm sorry. BNB, duh. Okay. So the insurance pool, you can see right here. Look at that. 148,000. Okay, so still about the same. It's went up though, okay? But look at the volume that's in here, guys. Yesterday, this is what I was thinking about, was only they had 600 BNB when they started this, okay? Look at it now. 3.2 million? Is that right? Yeah. Get back. 3.2 million. Yeah. Okay. So the difference with this is they have this contract, okay? Or this audit. I've never seen an official audit, okay? Now, yes, it's third party. People can make this up, but you can see in this that they have looked at the back doors. They go through the code. You can see the contract. I'm actually going to go to that in a second. But you can see here their disclaimer. They're not partners with them. They are a personal professional auditing firm. They check for vulnerabilities, backdoors, and or scam scripts. So they're checking the code and they don't see anything. So what I've seen is they have two contracts. One is just for the insurance pool. So if it gets below that 25%, I think, they basically take from that insurance pool. So you don't have this thing where there's no money left in there. Once it gets low, then they can take from that fund. It's basically like insurance, what they say. So they said that they don't find any vulnerabilities, no backdoors, no scam scripts. The code was tested in compatible compilers and simulated manually, reviewed for all commonly known and specific vulnerabilities. Because as we know, there's a lot of them out there, and a lot of us have been affected by them, like BNB 42 did a rug pull on us. Thank God I didn't actually lose money. So they've even said here, one of the things that they found is high, medium severity. So that's basically, it's considered high risk. They point that out. Yes, it is high risk. We know that. Um, your deposits cannot be withdrawn. That's put back into the pool or to the insurance pool. And you get your dividends. Your dividends are paid from your deposits. And all of this is from other users. So do your due diligence. Anyway, the smart contract provides the opportunity to invest any amount of BNB starting from 0.1, which I like is because I think that, what is that, like $30, 37 or something? With BNB 42, people could get in for as little as 0.04. $5, $4 to $5 at that time. Okay, so I had to upgrade my Loom. So I'm going to connect my wallet, but you can see, go to the contract right here. 1.4 million dollars in this rate. Now, okay, just 2 days ago, it was only 1.2, and they only had 500 BNB in the balance. So you can see how this is growing. I guess they're doing marketing and things too. You can also go to their audit, like I was saying, right there, official audit, which you see audits, but you don't see official audits. So it's even showing you can withdraw 6 times a day. You don't need to, but that's how you get your max ROI. It's anywhere from, I think it's 10% to 20% daily. So you can see you can create every time when you're doing a small investment plan. So you do it one time, 140% return, you're going to get 20% back. You can withdraw every 6 hours, but it shows you here, minimum is 0.1. Max is 5 BNB, so not one person like the whales can just withdraw 10. 5-level referral system. And with the insurance system, like I said earlier, there's a second contract. It manages the insurance system. So 10% of each withdrawal that you do will be sent to that contract. So, which is really good. So you don't have to worry about thresholds. And if it goes low, below the 25%, the insurance contract balance will be returned back to the main contract. So they're just going to take that from the insurance contract into the main one so it never gets too low. So when people are withdrawing. Also, when you refer people, every time they do a withdrawal, whatever the percent is, you're getting it, right? They're getting it every single time. Anybody, whatever they deposit 1 BNB, you're going to get a percentage off that too. And you can see down here, I'm actually I'll connect mine. I don't need to though, but it'll show you when you can claim. I just claimed like $11 earlier. I've only put in 119 total. You just connect your wallet right here and it will connect to MetaMask. You can see all of these investments everyone's doing here. 0.5, 0.1, 0.28, 10. Somebody invested 16 days ago, 10 BNB, 1.2. It just keeps going and going like all the time. 3 BNB. So make a deposit, get your referral link. You can't get it until you make your minimum deposit. Send it to your friends, enjoy your profit. So with the referrals, level 1, somebody under you, they say they deposit 1 BNB, you're going to get 7% off that every time they do a withdrawal, and if they invest again. And you'll see that down here. Also, which is cool, I've never seen before, you can either use your main default wallet address they give you for your referral link, or you can make your own. So mine is called Crypto Chick, K at the end. So if anybody wants to use it and get going, I think this is awesome. 24/7 support, the automatic user insurance, anti-whale features. So they can only do 4 claims per day, 5 BNB at once. And the income start from 10% per day. You can pick your days, however much you want to do. Withdraw. I've already withdrawn every day since I've done this for the past 2-3 days. And tested and verified by Haze Crypto, audited smart contract. They're proud about that. 5 levels. I mean, just look at that. 8,000 BNB are in here now. I'm swear. The other day, if you go to their Telegram group, they posted a thing that said 500 BNB. They were excited about that, and they were like, next goal is 600. Look at this, 3.2. 6,300 deposits. So here's their trigger balance. If it gets to 995 BNB, that will be triggered and they will start dipping in this pool. They've already given out 1,107 BNB as referral rewards. And what I like about this, which I haven't seen, is a whole PDF. You can share this with somebody that doesn't know how to connect their wallet. It gives you a whole PDF. There's 15 pages, how to start, about BNB, the mechanics, the insurance, the reinvest. So there's also 10% goes to insurance, 10% is reinvested. So you're basically compounding every day, or you can leave it and just get your main ROI, whatever it says on the calculator. So yeah, automation reinvest 10%, 10% from your withdrawal. So example, if you deposited 10 BNB for 7 days, you would get 20% on that. If you did not withdraw every 6 hours, you would get 11.3 back if you deposited 10 BNB. So I like to do it at least once a day. I like to compound. So this basically shows you or somebody how to connect your MetaMask. Here's the contract, the audit from Haze Crypto, their contract. All of that is in here. Just connect your wallet. I'm going to connect mine. So you can do the wallet connect, MetaMask, or your Binance. So I use MetaMask for everything. I'm going to connect it. That's how it works. Well, sorry. And that's basically it, guys. I'm going to post my referral down below if you want to connect. And if you need help, I'll help you. So you can see here that, and I also like this. It shows I have 2 plans, so I've done it twice. It shows how much I've staked total. And, you know, with like the SMARP pool, you see you have 0 point whatever, you can't remember BNB because you're doing all this other stuff, and you have to Google it and do the calculator and whatever, the conversion. It shows you right here and how much you have to claim right now. I literally just did this a few minutes ago. I already have 64 cents. Here's where you can change your slider, calculator, see how much. So if you were to put in 1 BNB at 7 days, you would get 1.4 BNB at 20% ROI every day, or a total profit of 140%. If you were to do the same 1 BNB for 30 days, you would get, without doing the withdrawals every day, 2.98 BNB, so almost 3 BNB, $1,200 or something. Depends on the price, $300-400 for 1 BNB right now. So you can play with the numbers, you can change it here, and that's what I like to look at. So, yep, that's it. If you got any questions, leave it there. How to start is up there. Contract, audit, their Telegram, crazy. Yesterday, I think, or the day before, they had 500 BNB. Now they have 8,300. Like, how did that happen that fast? But I think this one is going to last for a while, hopefully. So there you go. BNB Fury, you guys. But everything is high risk. Play at your own risk. But if you have any questions, leave a comment. Thanks.